We're gonna walk you through on how to do a Hyundai Kona lockout. I think it just locked itself, but we have the key. I'm gonna do a step-by-step how to do it first, and then we're actually gonna do the lockout. So, like always, the Big Stiffy, and this is the extended tip. Bag hangs on the handle, so let's do this. I'm gonna show you what comes in it first. You have your wedge, nice and thin, so you can get in the door frame real easy. Then you have your first airbag, which is the protector sleeve. The tool sides through, so you can protect the plastic or the painted surface. And like some people, if you're truly a badass at doing lockouts, pretty much you only need a wedge. But you want people for their cars to feel like they're being protected and taken care of. So use both bags, use the wedge, and you're almost never gonna damage anything. I mean, if you suck, you suck, we can't fix that. And here's your standard airbag. So what we typically usually do is, first and foremost, you take this going up here. I put this bag in up here, inflate this bag while it's up here, then I would come in and stick this bag in here. And while you do that, that'll give you the room to push the frame out from more than one spot. So you're less likely to leave a bow in it. Plus you could always just fix the bow. I mean, just grab the rod and straighten it back. If people don't know that, then you should get into something else. So now what we're gonna do is show you, we're gonna unlock the car and show you where you're gonna hook the tool and show you your different options to get into this vehicle. Once you put that bag in, you would slide this tool through the bag, and it'll be in here like this. So you would reach down and grab the door handle or the lock on this particular vehicle. So we're gonna open the door, we're gonna go to the other side, and I'm gonna explain to you what you would do once you get the tool into the vehicle, how you would get it unlocked. Or once the tool is through the door and the pouch is in like this, you can see the pouch thing, the pouch protects the car from the tool touching the paint. Like I said, if you're really good at what you do, you don't have to worry about it. But a lot of the repossessors don't care about having multiple bags. They just want to get their job done and get out of there. So once you slide the tool through, you have two options with this car. You can grab the door handle and pull it like that, or you can hook the lock and pull it like that. So we would come through the window, hook the door handle, pull it, lock comes undone, you're in. Or you can come in, hook the button, and you're done. Now we're gonna actually walk through the whole steps of the lockout. I'm actually gonna do the lockout and show you how to do it from the outside of the vehicle. So now, the car is locked. This car is all plastic up here, so you wanna be kind of careful. You don't wanna mar this up. I mean, it is a repo, so at the end of the day, nobody's probably gonna care. So I'm gonna put my other bag in up top behind the seal. Inflate it. And grab my protector sleeve bag, slide it in. It goes in like butter. If you notice, the bag is through the door, so you're not going to touch the plastic or the paint or even the seal, but I'm not really worried about the seal because that's smooth stainless. There's nothing on that rod that can do any damage to the seal. So now we're gonna knock the dirt off my tip. I'm gonna put a little arch in it. I'm gonna slide it through its stiffy protection. If you notice, we're not touching the plastic. If you look right here, it's through the bag. It's not touching the painted surface or anything. So we're gonna come down here. Oh, to let the air out. I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna grab the door handle or the lock. The nice thing about this is, as long as you get it in there and pull on something, you'll have no problem. So now I'm sliding it through. I'm gonna reach down here, take my sunglasses off, a little bit of a glare. I'm gonna hook the door handle. I'm turning my stiffy handle away from the vehicle, hooked it, And nothing gets you like a Big Stiffy.